stuff. I've got an app on my iPhone. I can show you some WordCamps if you like them. And there is mostly we are still looking to improve this kind of technology. So in the future there will be maybe more with AR glasses or maybe for VR glasses, so that we can use it for maybe education stuff, teaching. We can use it of course for games, for playing, for spare time activities like this. And at the moment there is a really important project. We are filming or capturing eyewitnesses of the Holocaust, the last surviving. We work with the film university together. There's a big project, and we'd like to capture these last survivors. You know, can move these holocaps around. You can change the direction. You can make her smaller or bigger, and these are the technology behind our, or not the technology, the output of our technology. And you can use them maybe for games actually, or over there's a big, the next studio, there's a big, it's called Holo Stage, and it's some kind of background system created from LED panels. And they use 3D computer-based environments for the background of filming. And we can put our holocaps in there to create, in Germany it's called Komparsen, as background actors. So, and she is now dancing here in our room, and you can walk around her. So, and you can see them from behind. Actually, if you really go around her, and it's a real 3D video, and this is some kind of fake 3D AR. Yeah. So and then there's a second really nice one. There is this book here, and Stokowski is a famous German singer-songwriter, and he wrote many of famous children's songs, and he produced we produced this book together with a couple of friends.
This is the education example that was.
So and it's just a gimmick for kids. So it's no real stuff for maybe earn the big money, but it's nice to see the reaction of the kids with big eyes. Oh, it's hard. So yeah, that's kind of fun.